pass right now. See that? That's huge. I can't fit it right now. Be back in but a moment, Mr. Rocket Launcher. Don't leave without me. I can't even fit the rifle ammo. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be RB. Of course you can't climb up there. That'd be too easy. Good thing there's a merchant in this same room, so we can just go see him, sell off all our excess crap, and be on our jolly way. No enemies? Amazing. Utterly amazing. Believe it or not, this is actually the end of the chapter. That was incredibly short, wasn't it? I know. The next chapter's just as short, actually. I guess the game, after giving us a hedge maze, a bunch of shootouts, a Garrador in a prison, a huge water room fight, is like, let's turn it down a bit. Maybe we're being a bit too mean.
What are you, boy? Not enough cash.
Oh, you bastard. You bastard. My British accent is horrible, I know, but you're bastard. You're an absolute bastard, you know that? Okay, enough of that. First, let's combine the only herb we can. This one. That's it.
What are you,
now I'm going to stupidly sell all my grenades. Can you believe I have 7 incendiary grenades? That's 14 slots filled up.
Is that all? Thank you.
That's all I have, huh?
What are you, boy? Is that all? Thank
and with
you.
this space, we should have more than enough to fit it. I'm going back into the room to get the free rocket launcher that I will need later. And I can't sing for the life of me, but I try anyway because this game has no soundtrack and is boring. Okay. As soon as I get this rifle ammo. Take the rocket launcher. Awesome. I would love to take this rocket launcher. Who leaves a rocket launcher lying around? Seriously. It's like, oh, instead of using this rocket launcher to take out Leon, let's just keep it here for looks. Just keep our rocket launcher on display. I mean, it's like no chance you'll find it or anything and use it against us if we keep it out in the open like that. It's totally cool. It's cool. Well, even though they did try using rocket launchers earlier on me. Let's not read too far into that. 28 saves. Amazing. Okay, and with this marks the end of the chapter, but not before a major plot twist. Because everyone loves major plot twists.
Leon!
It's Lewis!
I got it.
Huh? Oh god. That's gotta hurt in the morning. Oh no, it's the sample. Ouch. What is that, you ask? It's best not to use your imagination there.
Now that I have the sample, you serve me no purpose. Sadler! My boy Salazar will make sure you follow the same fate.
Shoot him! God, you idiot!
I am a researcher, hired by Sadler. He found out what I was up to. Don't talk.
You're right, Lewis. You got a lot of cherry Kool-Aid coming out of you.
It should suppress growth of the parasite. The sample. Sadler took it. You have to get it back.
Lewis?
Lewis!
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 What am I fighting for? Lewis, I only knew you for, like, an hour, but the hour I knew you, you were my best friend, man. I'll never forget you. Lewis.